Hi everybody, happy Friday. My name's Mandy and I'm going to give you a short tutorial today on how to make our version of mulled wine. So you only need a few ingredients to do this, the first being a bottle of Devil's Den. So we'll pour that into, you can do it in a crock pot or you can make it on a stove. The key to this is to not let the mixture boil because that'll lose some of the alcohol if you do so. So you just want to warm it up slowly, just under a boil. So you pour that in. Next you'll get a half bottle of water. So you take the bottle of Devil's Den, fill it around the top of the label here, and pour that in. And then you also add about a half a cup of brown sugar, either a fourth to a half of a cup, depending on how sweet you like your mulled wine. And the last one is the mulling spice bag. So I'm going to throw that one in. We've used that one a couple times already. This is what they look like before they've been used. These are good for about 4 uses. So you throw it in there like a tea bag and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The first time you use it is 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you want to leave it in a little longer each time because it won't be as strong as it was the first time you used it. So you just stir all that up, let it sit. And the nice thing is you don't have to remember this all for yourself because these little spice packets come with a nice tag that has all of the directions on the back of it. So it tells you every quantity you need for this mixture. The only thing that the spice tag says that we don't do is that you want to leave this in for an hour. We only leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you want to leave it in a little longer if you use it again, but ignore the hour part because it makes it extra spicy. If you do accidentally leave it in a little too long, you can just add some brown sugar to it. That'll cut the spice a little bit. So we've already made a batch up beforehand, so let's give that a try and make sure this recipe works out. And it is warm, so you gotta be careful. Yeah, this is great. This tastes just like Christmas in a glass. So also want to mention we have a really awesome special going on, a super special holiday sale. So in a case purchase, you get $100 off your total. So you can stock up on all your favorite wines for the holidays, including Devil's Den. So I hope everybody has a great day and thanks for watching. Cheers.